Naija and Turkey go collabo for Betta Deve. Nigeria and the Republic of Turkey don yarn say dem wan make their relationship strong on top many areas wey go bring better development for both countries. Dis one happen after the third time wey Buhari plus Turkey leader meet for Abuja. Dem do meeting behind closed doors for almost 1 hour as dem dey discuss all the areas wey affect the two countries, like areas wey need improvements. President Erdogan yarn tori pipo say him and Buhari get the same goal to bring ogbonge relationship for the two countries.
Nigeria holds the manufacturing position of the entire continent, and our trade volume between the two nations reached $2 billion last year. Thus, Nigeria became our most outstanding and the biggest trade partner in the sub-Saharan Africa for the Republic of Turkey. But however, we still believe that this level we have achieved is far from being adequate. We hope and pray that we will be expanding our trade volume up to $5 billion immediately.
Dis na di ogbonge informate wey TMC News carry come give una. From Benin, Osarugwe, Monday.